English common expressions. Listen and practice. Be careful driving. Be careful driving. Can you translate this for me? Can you translate this for me? Chicago is very different from Boston. Chicago is very different from Boston. Don't worry. Don't worry. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. From time to time. From time to time. Good idea. Good idea. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. He's coming soon. He's coming soon. He's right. He's right. How are you? How are you? How's work going? How's work going? In hurry. In hurry. I ate already. I ate already. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. I don't like him. I don't like him. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't speak very well. I don't speak very well. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't want it. I don't want it. I don't want that. I don't want that. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. I feel good. I feel good. I get off of work at 6. I get off of work at 6. I have a headache. I have a headache. I hope you and your wife have a nice trip. I hope you and your wife have a nice trip. I know. I know. I like her. I like her. I lost my watch. I lost my watch. I love you. I love you. I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes.